So today we are talking about things that are flat. I got my mouse pad here, and yeah, that's pretty flat, but in respects to this, it's actually quite tall. For this way, I have one staple, two staples, French curve, staple remover, and a piece of paper. So, before we talked about how it's important for your straight lines to stay straight and your curves to be smooth. This is one of the reasons why. In order to capture very flat objects, you have to be able to show the thickness. And you're going to do that by doubling lines or just making lines on one side thicker. So, see if I can keep this in focus here. As we zoom in, there we go. We've got two staples tall and one staple tall. You can see that's actually a big difference. One is twice as tall as the other. Now, even though this is something that's very flat, you can see that the two staples is casting a shadow, but so is the one staple. And when you draw that, you would draw it as the thicker line at the bottom. So whatever side is away from the light, you're just going to thicken that bottom line. You're thicken that side because that will indicate shadow shading. Let's see if I can get in on this French curve here. Alright. So, there's a French curve. And you can actually, from this vantage, see the thickness of the paper. And it's not laying flat, but, you know, at least you can see it. Got something a little better than the paper. There we go. Here we have a card, which I'm going to want you to draw this. And draw exactly what you see. Important thing is drawing objects exactly as you think you see them, or as you want them to be. And it's difficult at first, but you'll get it eventually. So right now, pause video, draw.